Isn't he funny?
Yeah.
He's funny. Huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Can you get off the bed?
I'm gonna take my bed. I'm still resting. Atticus, the blanket on the bed has little feet on it. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is she funny? Okay. She's funny. Yeah.
That's right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And this is Mommy and Daddy's bed.
Yeah. That's Mommy's bed. That's Daddy's bed.
And this is Baby's brother's bed.
That's right. Solomon. That's Solomon's bed.
His name is Solomon.
That's right. Yeah. Uh-huh.
She's funny.
Isn't he funny?
Yeah.
Yeah. He makes funny faces. Doesn't he?
See?
Yeah. He makes funny faces. Not much else.
Just like that.
Yeah, like that.
Atticus, do you want to give the baby a kiss? Not yet?
Tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Tomorrow. When he comes home to your house?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.